Have you received the UModeler X invitation? Now let's proceed with installing UModeler X. Access the UModeler X Zepeto Creator webpage and download the Zepeto Studio project from the Getting Started page. Extract the downloaded Zepeto Studio file and launch Unity Hub. In Unity Hub, go to the Projects tab, and under the Open menu, click on Add Project from Disk to select the path of the extracted Zepeto Studio project. Verify that the Zepeto Studio project is listed and click to open the project. On the Zepeto Creator webpage's second menu, download the UModeler Hub file. Drag and drop the downloaded Hub package file into the previously created Zepeto Unity project. When the Import window opens, click on the Import button on the right side and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, the UModeler Hub window will appear. If you have closed the window, you can reopen it by clicking on the UModeler logo icon at the top of the scene view. Enter the invited email, and it will proceed to the account creation window. Enter the password, username, and full name, and check the country and the checkboxes at the bottom. This will activate the Create a UModeler ID button. An authentication email will be sent to the initially invited email address. Check your email and open the email sent by UModeler for authentication. Once you return to Unity, the registration process will be completed, and the password input field for login will be activated. Enter the password you created earlier to log in. After successful login, the All Products tab will display a button to install UModeler X. Click the Install button and wait for a moment while UModeler X is being installed. Once the installation is complete, the Install button will be disabled, and the scene view icon count will be 3 items. By using the middle button among the icons at the top of the scene view, you can create a new UModeler X object. With UModeler X tool, you can easily create or modify models.